All right, you guys, so it is day 1 of my 30-day juice cleanse. I've been up way too long to just now be getting my first drink in. It was almost 2 hours ago, like hour and a half ago, so that's ridiculous. Tomorrow we'll do better. First drink of the day is not juice. We're starting with our warm lemon, chia, and Celtic water. I have 8 ounces of spring water in here that I just warmed up. And I need to let these chia seeds sit. Whenever you're consuming chia seeds, you want to make sure that they sit for at least 10 minutes. What the freak? Ew, what is that? Black stuff in here. Cut the cameras. And anytime you're consuming chia seeds, you want to make sure that you allow it to sit for at least 10 minutes. And you want to do 1 to 2 tablespoons, okay? Nice little squeeze. And I guess we're actually not going to do this first because we need to let it sit. So we'll do our chlorophyll shot first. I got sent these by All About Juicing chlorophyll shots, made for natural detoxification, infused with apple and lemon. So it says to just pour 1 of these in your 2-ounce bottle. I also got these cute little bottles from them as well. It says for best results, wait 1 minute for it to infuse, and then you get to drink it. Okay. I should do a little less water. Now, apparently the warm lemon water is supposed to be great for your digestion because you don't shock your system with cold water. The warm water helps to move things along, so I guess I'm doing things a little backwards. But oh well. Something is better than nothing, okay? If you're working towards goals and you can't get everything perfect, as long as you are still working towards them, that is what matters the most, okay? I'm the type of person, I like things to be all in alignment, all perfect, just all together before I can start something, and that's held me back from a lot of things in life, so don't be like that. Just do it. Do what you can. We'll take our supplements with this, and we're not gonna do a whole big old discussion about this, okay? Supplements is billion-dollar industry that is profiting off of a lot of you guys. There's a lot of you guys who are taking supplements blindly, who don't even know anything about what you're really taking. You just see somebody else recommending it, or you're not utilizing the proper foods to actually see the benefits of what you're doing. Some supplements that you're taking, you have to eat certain foods in order for them to even be effective. Just be mindful of what you're actually taking and if it's actually working. The quality, the brand, and all that. So I have right here my vegan B12. Then I have my hormone supplement, and this is Hormone Balance Liquid Drops. Just a bunch of herbs in here. This actually works wonders. I mean that. We'll talk about that another day. Wonders. If you have PCOS, ladies, or PMS and menopause, wonders. And then I am vitamin D deficient. This is the only vitamin that I'm actually deficient in. Got that. And then I have my vegan omega-3 supplement, and this has DHA and DPA in it. This is an algae sourced omega-3. Actually tastes pretty good. I forgot I had the apple and lemon. It's really good. I just got a piece of powder, so. So it's been about 10 minutes, so we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle in some of our Celtic salt. Just a little pinch. And there we have it. I'm going to go get dressed here in a minute, and then we'll come back and we'll get to juicing. We're gonna be making 4 different juices today. 2 of them are gonna be green juices. I'm really excited for dinner, so I'm excited to see how today is gonna go. This first juice of the day, we're keeping it pretty simple. We have 5 ingredients here. We have some parsley, some kale, celery, ginger, and cucumber. I'll be sure to put the quantities on the screen, of course. I didn't take the stems off the kale this time because I'm like, why should I? It's probably great for you. Just roughly cut this up. We're just gonna leave the skin on since they are organic. You wanna make sure that you're cutting your celery up because you know how celery has all those strings. You just want to make it so that the strings don't get all tied around your juicer. And for this juice cleanse, of course, we're using our Nama J2 juicer. You guys can find the link in the description down below. You can use my code CAIRA10 and get $55 off your Nama J2, or you can use the discount code on any of their other products. I highly recommend this juicer. If you go back to my very first juicing video on this page, I believe it was a juice cleanse, and I had a Hamilton Beach juicer, and that's what I started out with. On first or what, but let's go ahead and put a piece of this in there. I didn't start with the Nama, okay? I just want y'all to know I started from the bottom. You could definitely tell the difference. After that, I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna juice consistently, I had to invest in a good juicer, and that's why I ended up finding Nama. I paid for my Nama. I was not sponsored or sent one for free. I paid for it. I used them payment plans, okay? Sure did. And I fell in love. So this is what I've been using since 2022. Make sure that you're putting your leafy greens at the bottom because you want the heavier stuff to push it down so that way it just flows better. Celery with the little stinking leaves. We'll just do this and then we'll come back and put the cucumber in. And we're gonna do our 2 green juices first. We're about to do everything now. I'm so late. I'm so mad at what time it is, guys. But I'm just gonna have to get to throwing these juices back throughout the day. This is gonna be some great pulp. I'm gonna save this pulp and dehydrate it. I make juice pulp powder with my pulp now. So this is like a nice nutrient dense powder, and this contains all that fiber. So if you feel like juicing is wasteful, this is a great way for you to repurpose your pulp. I don't think this is gonna make those 32 ounces. Go ahead and add in 3 more stalks of celery. Hopefully that'll do it. We'll see. Might need some more. We need some help. About 27 ounces, so we only need about 5. We got another one of these English cucumbers over here. So let's try this and let's see. That's enough. We ain't doing no more. 30 ounces. All right, so I need to go ahead and start drinking this one while we make the rest. Definitely a green juice. And I purposely didn't add anything sweet to this juice because it's first thing in the morning, so I wanted to be sure that I wasn't gonna spike my blood sugar. That's a green juice. I can do it because I've been juicing for years now, but if you're a beginner, this might be a little too green for you. But if it is, just throw in 1 little Granny Smith apple, but you need to be mindful that you're juicing for the health, unless you're juicing for the taste. And it's not like a heavy green juice, it's really light. Breakfast. So for this next one, this juice is dinner, and I'm so excited for this juice. We have broccoli, this big old heirloom tomato, some kale leaves, parsley, arugula, carrot, and celery. And then we have some cayenne pepper. Spice it up. All right, so let's do a little rough chop. This tomato better be delicious. Man, I can't taste it. I won't lie, you guys. When I was cleaning fruits and vegetables, I accidentally ate 2 baby carrots. I completely forgot. Smooth you back over. And then we'll do those after. That ginger hit me a little bit on that big gulp. Dashes. You do you. Probably like half of a teaspoon. Nice and full now. Alright, so we got some extra. I'm probably just gonna pour this in what I got right now for breakfast. I'm excited for this one. Let me just go ahead and taste it in here first. Interesting. It ain't what I thought it was gonna be. I thought. But sorry, I went ahead and did the prep for this one because I'm like, I need to speed it up. All right, for this juice we have 1 entire pineapple, 171 grams of carrots, which was about half the bag, so about half a pound, small piece of ginger, 1 CAIRA orange, and then 1 lemon. As I'm sure you can imagine, it tastes like mostly pineapple. I put her in the fridge for a few minutes. My stomach getting a little full from these liquids. So this last juice, we have quite a bit going on. Some of these may not be all the way beginner friendly, but I'm doing this for a whole month. So I will definitely have some that are a little bit more toned down, maybe a little bit less ingredients, but this right here, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Not a lot of sweet stuff in here, so I'm relying on these 2 apples to really do the thing. But we have some mints. We have about 10 strawberries. Leave the tops on, the tops have benefits. About 1.5 of these English cucumbers, some ginger, 2 gala apples, 1 yellow bell pepper, and then we have 1 dragon fruit. So that made a full batch, which is great. So we got about 35 ounces. This is like a creamy juice. That's pretty good. Ooh, got a little tartness to it. All these different lids looking all bootleg. Sorry though. So that's day 1 juice recipes right there. We got 4 of them, so we got a gallon of juice. We're gonna try to make sure that we're drinking a good amount of water in between. I'll be back with some check-ins just to see how I'm feeling throughout the day. Right now I feel fine. I'll show you guys how I clean my juicer another day. Not today.